So first of all, we are going to create a database in MS Access. If you have installed the Office 2007 version, then first of all go to Start menu and select Access Options. Access Options. From Access Option, you have to select the default file format. This will be 2007, so you have to select 2002 and 3 because of versions, Visual Basic version. Okay, now start a new database, create a new database, new, browse location, second class, name of the database should be student underscore db, student underscore db. Okay, create. Now just right click on the table and go to design view. First provide name of the table, std. Name of the table will be std. Okay, now inside table fields are std underscore id, auto number. The data type should be auto number. The next one, std underscore name. I'm just going to remove the auto number. Just change it to number. Std underscore address. Text or memo. Okay. And the last one should be student underscore contact. Student underscore contact. This will mean number. Okay. Close, save. Here you can see the std underscore id is primary key. Okay, this one is primary key. Just close, start Visual Basic. Open a new project. So first of all, design the form. Design form. Select a shape from here. Okay. Change the bake style. Change the bake style of the shape from transparent to opaque, so the color will be visible. Now you can change the color of the shape. Back color. Okay. The next thing, double click on label, insert a label. Insert a label. Let's change the caption of the label. Change the caption to student information system. Student information system. Okay, here is a property of label with the name of auto size. Auto size. Change it to true. Again, you have to change the back color. You have to change the back color of the label and also fore color. This one. And the fore color should be like white or something bright. Increase the font size from font property. Now just move using control and arrow keys. Control arrow keys. Okay, perfect. Then we are going to insert 4 labels in 4 text boxes. So double click 1, 2, 3 and 4. 25. Select all. Select all, and now you can move. No. Change the auto size property. Change the auto size property of label to true. Now just rename the caption of each label. Select label 2 and remove the caption. Replace with student ID. Then label 3 with name, address and contact number. Insert 4 text boxes. Design simple दे. Video stop कम. Okay, have that. Select all of the labels using control click and now move. Using shift arrow keys you can resize the text. You can resize the text box or label. Har element. Each and every element you can resize using shift arrow keys. Shift arrow keys. I am going to resize the first one text box using shift and right arrow key. So the width of the text box will be increased. This is the text property. So remove text 1 from here. Remove text 1. Also remove text 2 from address and from here. Okay. Increase the width of name. For address you have to increase the height also. Okay. Increase the width. Perfect. Okay. The next thing, we are going to insert 2 buttons for adding and saving record. Double click on button, command button. Double click. Select and resize. Change the caption to 8 and change the caption of second one to save. Okay. Now this is the complete design. This is just a design. Start your project and check. You can see this is the design. Okay. First of all, when I am going to start our project, and we are going to start our project, so the save button will be disabled. This button will be disabled and the add button will be enabled. When someone clicks on the add button, so the add button will be changed to disabled, and the next button, the save button, will be changed to enable. So double click on form What is the name of this button? Command 1. Command 1. And the second one is command 2. So double click on form. Double click on form. Here is load property. Here is load property of form. Load mean when form loads, disable second button. So command 1 dot enabled equal to true, and command 2 dot enabled equals to false. On start, on load of form, you can see the save button is disabled. Okay, now you have to do code for add button. When I am pressing add button, so the add button will become disabled, will be changed to disable, and the save button will be enabled. So double click on add button and write command 1 dot enabled equal to false, in command 2 dot enabled equal to true. Start. I am going to press the add button, select the add button. You can see this button is disabled and save has been enabled. Now do same code for save button. Command 1 dot enable equal to true, in command 2 dot enable equal to false. 8 save. Which way? Clear? Okay. The next thing, we are going to import two components, two ActiveX components. So right click on standard toolbar. This toolbar is called as standard tools or standard toolbar. So right click, select components, or just simply go to project menu, and from here you have to select components, or press Control T. Control T. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now we have to import Microsoft ADO control and Microsoft Data Grid control. So press M for Microsoft. Press M. The first one is, you can see the Microsoft ADO data control. Select this one, and the next one is Microsoft Data Grid control. Select this one. Here you can see, okay, the components insert key. Apply and close. Here are two more components. So for connectivity purpose, double click on ADO control. ADO. Double click. Name of the component is ADOTC1. 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 Also you can rename this. That's the okay. Now just right click on the component. Also insert another one first. Double click. Insert data grid control. Here will be complete record displayed from the database. The complete record will be displayed in this component. So right click on the ADO control, go to ADOTC properties. Here are 3 steps we have to do. Properties. First of all, you have to use connection string. Here are different connection providers. For Microsoft MS Access, for Oracle, and for SQL Server. Here are different types of connection providers. So we are using MS Access. Select build. For MS Access, you have to select the second one option, Microsoft Jet 4.0 OLE DB provider. The second option, Microsoft Jet 4.0 OLE DB provider. You have to select this one when you are using the MS Access database. MS Access as database. So you have to select this one. Then go to next option. Wait. Okay. Okay. First of all, save your project. Control S. In same folder with database. Some S VB2. Second class. Save. Go to file menu. Select save project. Save. No. Again right click. Go to properties. Build connection. Also you have selected the provider Microsoft Jet 4.0. The next option is you have to select the database file which you have created in MS Access. So browse and select from your computer student_db. Open. Now you have to test your connection. Test connection. You can see test connection succeeded. Mean the connection has been established between the form and database. Okay. The next thing, you can remove this extra path because our database and complete project files are located in same folder. Your folder kidi kanadi database or files. Your folder kidi ho kanadi classes. Here you can see the database is also located in same folder, and the complete project is also inside this folder. So now you can remove this extra path from here. Why we are going to remove this extra path? Because when at the end of class I will give you the copy of this complete project. So when you are going to copy the complete project inside your computer, this will not work because of this location. Kada location nahi tasu sir, da path tasu sir complete nahi no kar bana gayi. So therefore remove this and just remind the name of database. Now check connection. Test. Yes. Test connection succeeded. Okay. Okay. The last thing, you have to write a query, SQL query. Have you studied the SQL? SQL. Okay. Now you have to select the record from database. So go to record source. Select record source. Record source. Here are three options. Command type. The first one is we are going to select data from table. We are going to select data from table. So you have to select the third option. AD CMD table. CMD table. Select this one option. In the next combo, you have to select the specified table. STD. Okay. In the last text area, command text SQL. Structure query language. This area is locked. So for unlocking this area, again select the first one combo and select the first option, ADCMD unknown. For unlocking this area, again you have to select the first option. Once you have selected, so the area will be unlocked. Now you can write this query. Simply select steric from STD table. Apply. Okay. Start your student_db database. Double click. I am going to insert a single or two records manually. Number 1, Ali from Peshawar, and the contact number, whatever. The second one is Ahmad from Kabul. Okay. Close. Okay. we have established the connection between the form and database. Now for selection of data from database, in this data grid, select the data grid, and here is a property of data grid, data source. Data source. In data source, you have to mention the source from where the data will come, from which connection, from the ADO1. So here is the data source property for data grid. Select ADODC1. ADODC1. Okay. Now just right click on the data grid control, and from the bottom side, third number option, retrieve fields. Select this one. Yes, replace existing grid layout with new field definitions. This will be replace the existing fields with the new fields from database. Yes, you can see the STD and ID, STD name, address, and contact. These are coming from the database. Now just start and check. You can see the record has been displayed from the database. Now for database can entry kadeva na. We have entered these records inside database. Okay. The last thing, you have to do code for adding and saving record. Okay. The first text box is for student ID. The second one is for student name, and then for address and contact number. So select the first one and mention the data source. Data source. We mention the connection which we have created. ADO. Okay. And for which purpose this text box will be used? For student ID. So also you have to mention the data field. The data field. Here we have 4 data fields. So select the first one, student ID. Again, then select the second one, name. First you have to mention the data source, ADO, and then data field. STD name. Poi gayi ga na? Tawajjuh ka wajha. Then the third one, data source and STD address. And the last one, data source and field. Okay. For adding record, we have to do a single line code. For saving a record, we have to do a single line code. Yo line code, this sirf yo line. Double click on add button. Double click on add button. At the end, what is the name of connection? What is the name of that element in which we have established the connection? ADODC1. Name of this element is ADODC1. Okay. So just write ADODC1 dot record set dot add new. Record set. What is record set? Okay. The next thing, you have to do code for saving a record. Saving a record. Double click. Again write same code, ADODC1 dot record set dot update. Just start and check. Data source define kom dasa sherekha. Start and check your project. Select aid. Now write third number, Jawad from Jalalabad, and the contact number is. Press save button. You can see the record has been inserted right here. Okay. Now what is the record set? Wait. Here is an error. Start. I'm not going to press the add button and just start writing here. जी देखो मसला शो था ना देखो for the add show record has been updated. You can see right here the record has been updated. आपको ना बता रहे थे डाउनिश सही था जी Yes, of course. Okay, simple there, huh? When you are going to start your project, so just log these text boxes. Log these text boxes. Double click on form. Name of the text one is text box one is text 1, then text 2, text 3, and text 4. So double click on form. Double click on form. Sorry. Double click on form, and here you have to write the code for locking these 4 text boxes. When someone trying to write something, so a text box will be locked. Text 1 dot locked equal to true. Just check this single text box. Start. Key. Lock it. So when you are going to press the add button, unlock these text boxes. Do code for unlocking. Okay. Text 2 dot locked equal to true. Text 3 dot locked equal to true. And text 4 dot locked equal to true. Start. This one is locked, this one is locked, and saloon unlocked. Okay. When I am going to press the add button, so these text boxes should be unlocked. So double click on add button, and now you have to unlock. Text 1 dot locked equal to false. Text 2 dot locked equals to false. Text 3 dot locked equal to false. And text 4 dot locked, sorry, equal to false. Start. After pressing save button, after clicking save button, again log these text boxes. Singa chal de. Double click on save button and start typing code for locking these text boxes again. Text 1 dot locked equal to true. Text 2 dot locked text 4 dot locked equal to true. Okay, now try. Add 4 number semi the harz. Now save. You can see the text box has been locked again. Yoshis Balko. After saving the record, a message box will be appear. The record has been updated, saved. That's simple. Double click on save button. And after updation of record, just write a message box. Type the message prompt. Prompt means type message. Type message record has been saved. Now just mention buttons VB OK only. And then the title should be new entry, for example. Start. 8 5 save. Record has been updated. Yes, update. Any question? Okay. When project is running, we don't need this connection to be visible. This connection. So select this one, and here is a property visible. Make the visibility false.